Goyo!
Nats!
GoNats! Alright. Today I thought I'd share the construction progress at SM Clark. This is behind the mall where an open parking used to be. I would parallel park here in the mornings when I go to the gym. Nowadays, you will notice there is nowhere to park. So I'm forced to park in the open parking up front near the supermarket. It's okay, I guess, since I could use the walk as warm-up. Anyway, there is progress indeed. In just that 1 week interval, you will see that the overhead bridges connecting the new building to the old are all complete in the new video. Enjoy and have a nice day. Bye.
Right then it felt right there for life. Something I wanted all this time. If you're holding back, I'm not really one to relax. Don't wanna take it slow, baby, just fall fast. But in the meantime, in between time, it's all we're gonna be. Can I ask for more, or is that too greedy? But in the meantime, in between time, fine, let's take everything. Just do tonight, think in the morning. You got me in a trance, baby, every time we dance. We move so slow, even though the music's fast. It felt like a dream, wishing in something. Wanna hit rewind and just keep playing back. But in the meantime, in between time, it's all we're gonna be. Can I ask for more, or is that too greedy? But in the meantime, in between time, fine, let's take everything. Just do tonight, think in the morning. But in the meantime, in between time, it's all we're gonna be. Can I ask for more, or is that too greedy? But in the meantime, in between time, fine, let's take everything. Just do tonight, just do tonight, just for tonight.